Now take a look at this. Okay, now take a look at this. You go ask wetin dey go on for here. So this is iron going through metamorphosis. I don't know that metamorphosis is the right word, but this is actually decay or rust. The rust of an iron is actually known as decay. So this is iron going through decay, and this is the process. It wasn't like this initially. So when you go and you come back and you see something like this, actually there's some microbial, some a very small cell, like the small cellular level, the ones the eyes cannot see. When you like zoom in and zoom in and zoom in, like to erase the power of everything that you can zoom into, then you now see some significant changes with respect to the seconds. You now see the changes at the room, but at this point you will not notice until after a while you go and you come and you see, okay, it's not like as it used to be. So the question is, what's actually going on here? Is this consciousness? Is the reaction? Is it a chemical reaction based on oxygen, hydrogen, water, and everything, or is there a consciousness? Is there an intelligence that is responsible for this change? Is there an intelligence that is responsible for this change? Okay, if you look at other microbial organisms, then you say, okay, there are life organisms there, the organisms or cells that have life. But this one now, there is actually movement, and this is not something is actually going on, and you know that something is actually going on. But how can you interpret whatever that's going on here? If it's organic, or is it organic or otherwise? Or if it's not organic, what would you make of it? Like your basic interpretation or your general perspective or understanding of whatever is going on. What would you infer that might be going on here? Organic or no? Definitely, I know it's not organic, but if it's not organic, then how do you explain the lie, or how do you explain the reaction or the changes, or what is responsible for the movement? Or is it? Yes, it's a reaction. So something happened, something caused the reaction. So if something caused the reaction, then what is responsible for the force? It must be a force. So it's neither push or pull. So if there is every action, there's also opposite reaction. Physics. This is where physics comes to play. So now you know how you want to interpret that. So whether there is neither a force or whatever is cancelling the other, your final analysis in this aspect now, in this place now, okay, what is responsible for the for this change? Look at well, may not be like saying just the carry the talk. This is not a normal change. So it is just there, and you know that, okay, why this place not be like that? I know, okay, what is happening here is not happening here. Okay, so what is happening there, and what is responsible for it is a question that begs to be it's a question that begs to be that begs for response. So everywhere good. 2 seconds or long.